If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with
Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. Welcome to the #1 channel. There is no any channel like this. This is the #1 channel in the whole world. If you are looking for a channel where you can get reliable working tips on how to take care of your hair, simple and quick hairstyles that you can do on your own at home, not sophisticated hairstyles, not complicated hairstyles, this is where you can get that. If you are looking for a channel where we keep it real when it comes to natural hair, I speak the truth, all the DIYs, anything about natural hair, I got you. You are at the right place. You're looking for a channel where you can get some simple ideas on how to cook. Here you are. And on my channel, God is the center. Jesus is the center of everything, you know. He is. So thank you so much for coming here. And if this is your first time to be here, consider subscribing, liking my video, without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. Will you? And please watch this video to the end, because I promise whatever I am going to tell you today, it's gonna change your hair journey. You never know. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support and for your trust and for your interest in the content that I make. Thank you so much. I am forever grateful. So enough of that. So without further ado, we are beginning this video right now. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about 3 major tips on how to grow your hair. You can be here wondering and just not understanding what could be happening. You're doing everything you can and your hair is not growing, your hair is breaking, your hair is not healthy. So I promise the tips that I am going to give you today, if you're going to pay attention to them, if you're going to be consistent with them, you should get the best results that you have always wanted when it comes to your hair. So the number one reason is I am going to give you a reason that is so unpopular, and I think some people will say, oh, maybe you're being very spiritual or whatever they say, but it is very important and very vital as far as your hair is concerned. So number one reason is prayer. Prayer. I pray for everything in my life. Let me tell you something. God is the source of everything. You exist because He allowed to. You came here on earth because God brought you. So if He is the source of everything, He created you. He created you and gave you everything that you have on your body, even the hairs. He understands the number of your hair on your head. What makes you think you cannot trust Him with anything about your hair? So the reason why I say prayer is very important. Okay, the reason why I say prayer is so important is that our physical appearance is the result of what is going on in our body. Your internal health is not good, your mental health you are depressed, you are frustrated, you are generally like your internal health is not good, you will not also have good healthy hair. And when you focus on praying, like prayer is the solution to everything. So praying, the more you pray, the more still and calm you become in your life. That's what happens with me when I do that. So when you are still and calm in your life, that means your physical manifestation is gonna be healthy, and also your hair is gonna be healthy. If your internal health is well, mental health is just progressing well, that means your hair will also be healthy. So that's why I say prayer is so important. And even God, if you ask him to give you healthy hair, to make you to make your hair to grow, he will definitely do it. He is the one who gave us that hair. He knew it is so important to us as ladies. So prayer. I hope that too. I hope that one is well understood. So the next point is good care and patience will give you the results that you are looking for, the results that you are desiring for. And under this point, I am going to talk about hair management. When you are taking good care of your hair, that includes your hair routine. That includes staying away from heat. If you cannot stay away from heat, you minimize heat. Too much of anything is not always good. That means that means also the products that you use, are they the good products? Are they the products that your hair loves? Your hair responds so well when you use them, like your hair feels so soft and moisturized. So I'm also emphasizing on moisture. Do you moisturize your hair well? So do you take care of your hair when it comes to styling? Do you focus on styling hairstyles that manipulate your hair, that put pressure to your hair? Do you focus on plating hairstyles that are going to get rid of your edges? So that also is also important. Also, another thing, about when you are going to bed, do you cover your hair with a satin cap, or maybe if you don't have a cap, maybe pillowcases that are made of satin materials, because when your hair is dry, it breaks off so quickly. So satin material, basically it helps to maintain moisture in your hair so that your hair doesn't lose moisture. So here, taking care of your hair and patience includes a lot of things. So if you are doing all of these things that I have said, that means you will need to be patient, because your hair will not grow out in a night. Have you ever seen a country built in one day or overnight? That is not possible. So consistency. You need to be consistent at what you're doing. And when you are consistent, you also need to apply patience, because it will not happen now. It might take months, it might take years. So patience will always pay you. Even consistency, you will never go wrong with being consistent at whatever that you are doing, even in your career, at whatever you're doing outside there, even apart from hair. There's so many things. If you are consistent at everything that you are doing, you will always get the benefits. You will always get the reward. Ask successful people. They will always tell you they were consistent at what they are doing it over and over and over. So be consistent, take care of your hair and be patient. Something about consistency. You need to make sure that you are consistent at doing the right thing. When you are consistent at doing the right thing, you will get good results. But when you are busy and consistent in doing the wrong thing, you will reap the wrong thing. So what does that mean? It means consistency will involve when you are taking care of your hair in a rightful way, not in a wrong way. Do not be consistent in destroying your hair, applying a lot of heat to your hair, and not taking care of your hair. You need to have a time where you spend time with your hair to understand the needs of your hair. That will help you to know your hair more. That will help you to determine the kind of products that you need to buy and apply to your hair. I hope this is understood very well, because I don't want a situation where you are busy destroying your hair and then say, oh, you told me to be consistent. Oh, you told me that when I am consistent and patient, I am going to grow my hair. And then when that happens, maybe you're doing the wrong thing and you are very consistent, and then you destroy your hair, and then maybe you blame me. If you are busy destroying your hair, you will wait until the Lord comes. You will wait until Jesus Christ comes, and your hair will not have grown. So be consistent at doing the right thing over and over, okay? And more importantly, understand your hair. It is hard work. The videos that I usually post here, it's just some few minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes of my time. But what goes on behind the scenes, I usually take like 2 hours just washing and cleaning my hair and just like giving my hair what it needs at that moment. I hope this one is understood so well, right? Now the last reason is DIYs. Oh my goodness, DIYs will change how your hair looks. DIYs are the best thing that has ever happened to my hair. I love DIYs. Every time, of course, we have DIYs that will not work for you. They can be working for someone and someone else, they are not working, but majority of the DIYs, they really work the best to natural hair, because most of them, they're just natural things, like doing an avocado treatment to your hair. Who cannot afford avocado? It is readily available. It is something that is cheap to get. It is not expensive. So DIYs are so good when it comes to natural hair. Most of my wash days, I just use DIYs. And you also need to give your hair what it needs. So that means you need to be listening to your hair, because when your hair is dry and brittle, it is breaking, maybe it lacks moisture. And we have variety of DIYs that you can do to impart moisture to your hair, and I have a number of them on my channel. You can check it out. And also, maybe your hair needs protein treatment. We have so many DIYs about protein treatment on my channel, on this platform. So DIYs are so good when it comes to maintaining and taking care of your natural hair. They work the best, and most of the DIYs, they will make your hair fuller, they will make your hair look healthy, and your hair shiny, and your hair just to be healthy in general. So DIYs are the best. So I don't know what you're thinking about all this. I hope it has been so helpful, and let me know what you think about this video. If there's something you have learned, if there's something you want to know, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my video to this, and I really appreciate. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.